Lexus has refined its formula once again with the 2025 ES, creating a luxury sedan that doesn't chase trends but rather perfects its own lane. Elegant, efficient, and remarkably quiet, the ES is designed for drivers who prioritize comfort, craftsmanship, and reliability in their daily commute or weekend cruising. Exterior design. The 2025 Lexus ES features a sleek, coupe-like silhouette with subtle refinements to its signature spindle grille and lighting elements. Sharp LED headlamps, crisp character lines, and chrome-accented touches give it a mature premium appearance. New alloy wheel designs and updated color options round out its understated but upscale styling. Interior inside, the ES is all about refined simplicity and comfort. High-grade materials, including optional semi-aniline leather and open-pore wood trims, elevate the cabin. The redesigned infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness and wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Rear seat comfort remains a standout, with generous legroom and a whisper-quiet cabin performance. The 2025 ES continues with multiple powertrain options, including a smooth 3.5L V6 in the ES350, a fuel-efficient hybrid ES300h, and available AWD in select trims. The ride prioritizes comfort and stability over aggressive handling, offering a relaxed, confident drive that's ideal for long hauls and daily luxury. Safety features. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, bringing advanced features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and a new proactive driving assist feature. A surround view camera system and upgraded parking assist tech are available on higher trims. Market position. The 2025 Lexus ES stands as a smart alternative to more expensive German sedans like the BMW 5 Series and Audi A6. With a lower starting price, high reliability, and impressive standard features, the ES appeals to luxury buyers who value peace of mind and refinement without overpaying for brand prestige. Outro. The 2025 Lexus ES doesn't try to be flashy or fast. It focuses on doing everything well with quiet confidence. If you're looking for a mid-sized luxury sedan that delivers comfort, quality, and long-term dependability, the ES remains one of the smartest choices on the road.